Hello, my awesome people. Today I'm going to be showing you this 4-liter dual deep fryer. It's a brand new fryer. I just bought it, and I'm going to unbox it and show you how this deep fryer works. I love this deep fryer. I saw it in the store and I feel like giving it a try. So I'm going to show you what are the things that it contains and how it works. So this deep fryer has manual. It comes with a manual, and that's the manual contains all the information you need to know about the deep fryer. And the lid comes with it. It has a lid. It actually comes with 3 baskets inside it, 2 small baskets and 1 large basket. I love that about this fryer because that's going to give you a chance to be able to fry 2 different things at once. Like, let's say you want to fry potato and you also want to fry fish at the same time. You can easily do that with the deep fryer once. You can fry that one time, so that saves time, isn't it? Yes. And then also it comes with handles, 3 handles. Yes, 3 different handles because it's 3 baskets. And then yeah, that's the handle. You can see the handles. Yeah, I love that because the have most of these features. So I love this about this deep fryer. So if you want to, consider buying a new deep fryer, this one, it's a good option for you. So those are the baskets inside it. And yes, it also comes with this what's this called? Let me see. Um the control panel assembly. That's the control panel, the ones that go inside the oil reservoir. You see the control panels, it has all the temperature and the numbers set on it. And this is the oil reservoir. And the oil reservoir is actually large, it's big. It's bigger than the other one I have used. And last but not the least, the housing. The oil reservoir goes inside the housing, and it's also large as well. This product is made by Faberware. It has a large capacity. It can contain 4 liters of oil with a deep frying capability. And you can see on the box everything on it. Everything is listed on the box. And that's the lid. The lid has a mirror where you can see through whatever you are frying. So all the things that come with this deep fryer are all removable. So that's another thing I love about it, and they can easily be washed. So those are um the temperature that you can set your deep fryer whenever you are frying, depending on whatever you are frying. And that's the power button. Once you plug it, the power button is going to turn red, and once you are ready to cook, the ready button is going to turn green to indicate that it's ready to cook. And once whatever you are frying is done, the ready button is also going to turn on again to give you an alert and to tell you that your frying is ready to be checked. And this is the cord that comes with it. The cord has a polarized edge. It can only work with the sockets on the wall outlet. So make sure to always plug it in the wall outlet. It cannot work with an extension plug. So take that, so keep that in mind.
So here is the cord right here. So this goes at the back like this.
Goes in just like that.
So this is gonna go right like this.
So you insert the plug just
Okay,
like that.
like that. And then we're going to plug it in the
And then you plug it in the wall outlet. So now let's pour the oil. Put in your control panel, and then your um the oil reservoir, and then pour your oil. You can actually use it with any oil that is good for frying. That is totally fine. So make sure your oil is on the minimum level at least. If not on the maximum level, try to make sure your oil is on the minimum level before you use it for frying. And always check that before you use it for frying. So here's our fish. I coat my fish with some seasoning, and we are ready to fry. So you can see the power button is on. And I'm going to set my temperature to the one that says fish, which is I think 375 degree, I believe. I put my my fish inside, and I cover it with the lid, and I'm going to set my temperature. Based on the indication, the temperature set list on the control panel. And we are ready to fry. Our fish is frying, and this fish tastes so good. It comes out so good, even though I once the button turned green, I give it some time before I check it. So the fish is a little bit too dry, but that's okay. That's my fault. So this frying actually take about 5 to 7 minutes. It doesn't take so long. So this deep fryer is very easy and quick to use. It's affordable, and I think so far so good. I love it. And look at my fish, it turns out so well. I love it. I really enjoy the fish. And yeah, if you are looking for a good deep fryer to buy, this is an option for you. If you fry a lot of if you do a lot of frying, this fryer is a very good option for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel to support me, and also turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Peace out.